Bridget Mackay, and welcome to my video blogs. If you're here for the first time or you've been back several times, you're probably sick of hearing this, but I am an attorney. I work in the area of estate planning, probate, elder law, and this series of videos is addressing the decline of your elderly loved one. How do we care for them health-wise? How do we care for them financially? How do we preserve as much dignity as possible in their lives? This last installment of this series, I'm going to talk about grandma needing skilled nursing. In the last video, we talked about the need for skilled nursing and how do families pay for it and find it and make it happen. I'm going to talk a little bit about Medi-Cal benefits, which I'm sure if you're in this situation, you've heard a lot about, saying you need to apply for Medi-Cal, they'll pay for nursing home care. Well, there are a lot of myths out there about Medi-Cal. I'm going to give you some facts. First of all seniors are entitled under Medicare, which is a different federal program, to get up to 90 days in a skilled nursing or nursing home facility. Those are the same thing. Skilled nursing, nursing home facility, same thing. Once that 90 days is up and that elder is still in that care and needing that care, the cost for that is borne out by the elder, their family, or there is an option to apply for Medi-Cal benefits. There is also an option, if you're a veteran, to get veterans benefits. Veterans benefits is something I won't be discussing here. Suffice it to say, it can cover not only skilled nursing, but sometimes in-home care and assisted living. But there are total separate requirements for that, and you need to consult a professional on those issues. As far as Medi-Cal is concerned, the basic requirements for your elder to qualify for Medi-Cal, if they're a single person, so we just have grandma is no longer around, she can't have more than $2,000 in assets. She can own her home, that is exempt, and she can have essentially one car, and there are some other assets that are exempt that also qualify that I won't go into here. If grandma and grandpa are still together and just one of them needs nursing home care, the basic requirements are they can have actually $113,000 in assets. Those are CDs, stocks, savings, checking. They can own a home. The home would be exempt, and they can have one car. They also may have other assets that are exempt, but again, in those situations, you need to consult a professional. So the current Medi-Cal laws allow for those requirements, those folks meeting those requirements, to get Medi-Cal benefits, which will pay for all of the nursing home care for your elder. Now, if your elder's getting Social Security or any pension, oftentimes those monies go to share of cost for Medi-Cal. So they will no longer be getting that income. It'll go into their care, save $35. I know it's a random number, but that's what Medi-Cal wants. Now, having said that, there are situations in which people can qualify for Medi-Cal when they have more than those assets. And again, like I've said through every video in this series, this is very code, probate code and law-based issues that we're dealing with, and you should always consult an attorney or a professional about them. But there is a potential for folks to qualify when they have more assets. And I can't strongly enough emphasize, do not apply for Medi-Cal benefits or veteran benefits without, or any other public benefit for the service of your elder, without consulting an attorney first. Don't even prepare for them thinking that you're going to get their assets down and then apply, because oftentimes people make huge mistakes and therefore destroy any possibility that their elder may have of getting those benefits. So if I haven't made it clear enough already, I'll say it again. Consult a professional. This is really very complicated stuff.